Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm making some pumpkin rice. Yes, I'm doing pumpkin rice today, and I love pumpkin rice, guys. Yes, I do. Who doesn't love a good pumpkin rice? So I've got some beautiful pumpkin that I purchased in the market today, and I'm about to make my pumpkin rice. And of course I've got some coconut milk. You can't make pumpkin rice without coconut milk. So I've got pumpkin, I've got green scotch bonnet pepper, spring onion, garlic. I also got a bit of turmeric, and over here I got my pumpkin and also my coconut milk, natural coconut, right? I only use natural coconut milk, guys. Whenever I'm cooking, just know it's natural coconut milk. If it's a recipe that calls for the can, then maybe, yeah, but I'm 99% natural coconut milk. It do it for me. Yeah. So before we start, I just want to say thanks to all my new subbies. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And to all my returning subbies, thank you guys. I see you guys. Appreciate all of you. I'm so grateful and so thankful. Thank you. So let's start cook. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please turn the notification bell on so whenever I upload you won't miss that video. Alright? Tell a friend to tell a friend and subscribe over here, so because over here so we got the nice food them. Right? Alright now. So we're about to get everything in prep. So I went ahead and I prepped everything just for time consuming, and I'm in a bit of busy day for me today, so I just went and prepped everything. So we're gonna start now. So over here I've got my pot on. I'm not gonna use any cooking oil or any butter because I'm using a natural coconut milk, and with the natural coconut milk, guys, you don't need butter or oil, right? You don't want cholesterol. Yes, have to be very careful with that. So I'm gonna have my garlic and my spring onion in the pot. I'm just gonna let that saute off for 2 minutes. After that is sauteed, guys, I'm gonna add my pumpkin. Let this saute off for 3 minutes. This is just a simple, easy recipe. So now I'm gonna add a cup alkaline water. And there, give it a stir. You can also add salt if you like, or you can also add some vegetable stock if you like. So now after 7 minutes, I'm gonna add my turmeric in. I like to add turmeric just for a little color. And I'm gonna add my rice. So guys, please make sure to check on your pumpkin to see if it's cooked. So I'm gonna add my rice in. You see the color already, guys? Look, nice. And this is like 2 cups of rice. And make sure your hands are clean. You don't want no dirty and cook no food. And I'm using basmati rice today, but use any rice of your choice. So now we're gonna add our green pepper and our coconut milk. And you want to make sure to check on your rice. You make sure it's on medium heat. As soon as all the water dissolve, you put it on low heat because you don't want it to burn. And I choose to add the green scotch bonnet pepper the last because I don't want it to burst in the pot. So that's the best way to do it. But feel free to do yours the way you liked. So I'm gonna pop back the lid and I'm gonna allow this to cook for about 7 minutes, and then we're gonna check back on it to see. Smells so nice. You can smell the aroma, guys. The garlic, the spring onion, the pepper. Wow. Turmeric pumpkin rice is the best. Guys, after 7 minutes, this is how the rice looked. I went ahead and I take the lid off. I did not use any plastic bag or foil paper on my food. I do not cook rice and put those stuff there because of chemical reason. So I always just cooked it natural. Look at the color, guys. Wow. We're just gonna fluff it out for a bit, and so I could show you. It's well cooked. Didn't take that long to cook. So now, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna plate up for you guys so you can see the finished product of my turmeric pumpkin rice, Jamaican style. Please, here's the finished product of my pumpkin rice, and I'm having it with some roasted broccoli, some cucumber, and some ital bean stew, which is so delicious. I could never have it with anything else than some ital bean stew. It's so good. It's really good together. So yes, so remember, health is wealth, and always look after yourself, because if you don't, who's gonna do it for you? So walk good, eat good, stay good. I wanna go and big up on a nice clean self. Until then, just enjoy and watch this video and drop a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.